vegan lifestyle. Most of us probably know somebody who is a vegetarian or a vegan, or who simply seems curious about the idea of going meat-free. What exactly is the appeal? People go vegan for several reasons, most of which are very personal to them. Of course, you may find those who are very emotionally connected to their cause and seek to inform and educate others on cruelty-free procedures so that their message can be heard. Advocates of a vegan lifestyle can get a bad rap, probably because it seems like a very extreme adjustment, and some of the ways animals are treated can be truly heartbreaking. Some vegans may take it upon themselves to try and force others to care or understand in ways that can really turn the modern masses off the message. That's because our diets are something personal to us. We all have the right to choose the way we eat, and it is a privilege that in this day and age we have the resources available to us to actually cut meat out of our lives safely. Ethical practices for raising certain animals in the agricultural industry have come about because of the advocacy of groups that are passionate about animal welfare. And for those of us who are interested in veganism, but not quite ready to make it an active lifestyle, that's okay. You can still make informed choices about where you get your food from and what it takes to get from point A to what you find on your plate. Whether you are taking this training to learn more about veganism and what it means, or you are seriously considering a vegan lifestyle and want a guide to help show you the way, this training will help you to learn the basics of going vegan and how it can benefit not only your body and mind, but also the world around us. Let's get started.